Welcome, Flutter enthusiasts! Today, we're going to build a simple two-screen app using Flutter. Our app will consist of two screens, a home screen and an about screen. We'll navigate from the home screen to the about screen with just a tap of a button. Let's get started. First, we'll set up a new Flutter project and follow on-screen instructions to create an app. We give our app a name like navigation_app. The name must be in a lowercase letter with an underscore, as space is not allowed in the app name. We have a main.dart file in which we add our code by removing existing code. In main.dart first, we create a main function that will call the MyApp stateless widget. Now create a stateless widget by typing STL short notation and give it the name MyApp. MyApp has a MaterialApp widget which has a home route, My Home Page. Next, let's design our home screen. In the main.dart file, we will again create a stateless widget using the STL short notation and give it the MyHomepage class name. In MyHomepage, we add a scaffold widget having an appbar property. This appbar has an appbar widget with a title property having a text widget with home as the page title. Set the code accordingly. With the home screen set up, let's design our about screen. First, create a new Dart file by clicking right on the lib folder and selecting Dart in the Open menu. When the file name input box opens, enter about_page and hit enter. A new Dart file is created. In the about_page.dart file, we will add import of material.dart, then create a stateless widget using the STL short notation and give it the MyAboutPage class name. In MyAboutPage, we add a scaffold widget as did in MyHomepage, but now About is the page title. Also, add a background color that is green accent in a Flutter. This color will easily differentiate the two screens. Set the code as shown in the video. Now, let's add navigation functionality to our app. To do that first, we have to add a button that takes us to another page on click. For that, I added a center widget in the body property of scaffold and then added a child property for the center widget having a button. I am using text button, you can use whichever button you like. I also made a video on various buttons in Flutter, you can watch that too. We'll use the Navigator.push method to navigate from the home screen to the about screen when the button is pressed. Let us add that in the onPressed function of text button. I added Navigator.push, which has two parameters, context and route. In route, we add material page route, which has builder property. This builder function only returns a widget that has context as a parameter. The return statement has a MyAboutPage stateless widget call, but to use this widget call, just add the about_page file as an import. Now, let's test our app to see our navigation in action. We'll run our app on an emulator or device and verify that tapping the button on the home screen navigates us to the About screen. And there you have it, a simple two-screen app with navigation in Flutter. With just a few lines of code, we've created an app that demonstrates the basics of navigation in Flutter. Now it's your turn to explore further and build upon what you've learned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!